Alam mo ba na meron ng life insurance na pwede mong maging retirement fund? Yes, mawi-withdraw mo when you retire. And no, it's not a VUL. Yun ang good news dito. Meaning, guaranteed siya. It is a guaranteed amount that you can enjoy in the future kapag tapos na mag-aral yung mga anak mo, tapos na mga financial obligations mo, and para sa'yo naman siya. So yun yung ikukwento ko sa inyo dito sa video na to. Now we will talk about one of our best products right now in AIA. It's called Max Protect. Now, but before that, now go ahead and subscribe in my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. And also hit the like button so that more people can see this video. So pag-usapan na natin itong Max Protect na na-discuss ko na rin naman in my more in-depth product review. Parang pinakamaganda when we learned and studied this product talaga ng maigi, na doon ko na-realize na hindi lang siya pang protection. No, ito yung product na i-insure ka habang bata ka, habang kailangan mo ng insurance, and then when you retire at age 65, 70 or 75, you can withdraw the fund ng guaranteed cash value plus yung dividends niya and enjoy it para sa iyo naman. Hindi mo na kailangan, hindi mo kailangan mamatay para lang makuha yung pera at para siya sa family mo. If you have other insurance policies, keep it, and then itong Max Protect, i-enjoy mo siya. So, ano ba si Max Protect? It's a participating whole life plan. So, meaning ang insurance niya up to age 100 unless again you withdraw it in full. And then, participating, so ibig sabihin may potential to earn dividends. So, nagbibigay siya ng 200% na life insurance coverage dun sa face amount niya times 2 nun yung life insurance. And then, it has guaranteed cash value. Sobrang important tong feature na to. Lahat ng whole life plans may cash value, and this cash value is what you will use during your retirement part, right? Habang magre-retire ka. And of course, may non-guaranteed dividends. Pag-uusapan natin yan, although yung mga values hindi siya guaranteed, depende siya sa magiging performance. Si Max Protect, marami siyang mga different riders. Kinreate talaga siya for protection. Alright? So pwede kang maglagay mga different riders. Diniscuss ko again yon doon sa main product review na mas mahaba. But for today, hindi na pag-uusapan natin. Pag-uusapan natin kung paano natin siya gagamitin as insurance now and then retirement plan in the future. So excited ka na ba? Alright? So tinignan ko siya for different ages. So, sinimulan natin sa 35-year-old male. Alright? So, tignan natin yung pay up to age 65 na variant. So, magbabayad ka tuloy-tuloy hanggang mag-age 65 ka. So, tinignan ko for a 1 million face amount times 2 nun yung life insurance. So, 2 million life insurance up to age 100 ang coverage. 1 million total and permanent disability hanggang age 65 yon. In case of total and permanent disability, makakakuha ng 1 million. Additional 1 million for personal accident insurance in case of death through accident. May 1 million up to age 75 ang coverage nun. And then, 1 million din na 10 critical illnesses. May 10 critical illnesses na covered. The major illnesses like cancer, heart attack, and stroke. Alright? And then, nilagyan ko rin ng hospital income benefit na 2,000 per night in case of hospitalization. Let's say, 10 days ka sa hospital na dengue. Alright? 2,000 times 10, 20,000 pwede mong ma-reimburse. Alright, napaka-useful nitong rider na to. Naalala ko during the time of COVID, kung na-hospitalize, let's say for 14 days, 2 weeks sa hospital, times 2,000, di 28,000 yun. You can reimburse. Alright, babayaran muna and then re-reimburse sa'yo. And then tapos may enhanced waiver of premium just in case of total and permanent disability or critical illness na diagnosis, mawi-waive na yung premium. Hindi mo na kailangan magbayad up to age 65. So all in all, yung total premium ng mga na-discuss ko na benefits for an age 35 male is only 48,563.11. So, tignan natin ngayon kung magkano yung magiging total premium nun. Diba? At magkano yung magiging benefits by age 65. So, total premium na babayaran mo for 30 years, age 35 hanggang 65 ka magbabayad, 48,563.11 times 30 years. Ang total premium na binayaran mo is 1,456,893.30. So, yun yung total. So, 1.4 million. Right? 1.45 million. And then, titignan natin dito. So, yung guaranteed cash value sa lahat ng whole life plan, pag winidraw mo yan, yan na yung guaranteed amount. And then, pag winidraw mo siya in full, hindi ka na insured. So, let's just say, at age 65, gusto mo na ma-enjoy yung pera mo. So hindi na for the family, hindi na ganon. No, maybe may iba ka pa insurance, so itong Max Protect mo, you wanna enjoy it. So at age 65, for a 35-year-old male, no, itong plan na to, no, after 30 years of paying, meron kang 1,035,000 na guaranteed amount na if you withdraw, alright, you can use for whatever purpose that you like. For in this case, retirement siguro. Ang maganda rito, no, yung column C, tignan mo yung column C, merong accumulated dividends. Alright, so since it's a participating plan, part of the premium that you pay, no, nilalagay siya sa isang fund, sa isang pool of funds, and then in case mag-perform siya, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng konting returns. Alright, at that time, it's 274,644 yung makukuha mo na potential returns at age 65. So pag in-add mo sila, pag in-add mo yun, 1,035,260 plus 274,644, ang total living benefits mo during that time at age 65 is 1,309,904. Yung binayad mo kanina is 1.45 million, 1,456,000 approximately. So ang difference ng dalawa is only 150,000 lang. Alright, so technically parang yun lang yung naging cost of insurance mo. In-insure ka ni AIA for 2 million life, 1 million TPD, 1 million personal accident, tapos meron ka pang 10 critical illnesses, 1 million din yun. So 5 million na yun. Tapos yung 2,000 per night na hospitalization for 365 days kang covered. So that's 730,000. So 5.7 million for only paying 1.4 million coverage. And then at age 65, may sukli ka pa na 1.309904. Alright? So should you decide to withdraw at age 65, parang ang naging cost lang sa'yo is 150,000. And let's say, hindi mo siya withdraw at age 65. Sabi mo, meron ka pang critical illness coverage hanggang age 75. So, hinintay mo hanggang age 75. So, kung age 75 ka nag-withdraw, the guaranteed cash value is 1.190 million, 680. And then, merong non-guaranteed dividends. Let's just say, umabot siya ng 618,767 at only 3.9% per annum potential returns. Ang total living benefits is 1.8 million already, 1,809,447. Kung titignan mo dyan, no, yung column A plus column C. Alright? So, 1.8 million yung potential maging return mo, 1.45 million lang yung binayad mo. So, doon talaga tumubo na yung pera mo. Basically, nag-save ka lang, tumubo yung pera mo, na-insured ka for the past 30 years. Well, technically, nakalibre ka ng insurance, kumita pa. So, ganun kaganda tong plan na to. Nung naaral ko to, pinag-aralan ko maigi, sobrang na-excite ako kasi sabi ko, wow, libreng insurance to ah. Or nag-i-insure ka lang, you're being responsible so that covered ka, and something happens here to you, your family, you know, get something for magpatuloy ng pagpapaaral ng mga anak mo, ng lifestyle nila. And then if you live long, and then you can withdraw the money and enjoy it for yourself. So, win-win, grabe. Insured na yung family mo may something that they will get in case something happens. Kung wala, ikaw naman yung mag-enjoy ng pinaghirapan mo. Nag-save ka. Alright? So, you might be also investing elsewhere, stock market, properties, wherever, MP2. Idagdag mo to. This one is a savings plan. You're able to save for retirement habang ini-insure mo yung sarili mo. Alright? Napakaganda niya. Tapos, tinignan ko rin siya sa age 45. So, sa age 45, kung kukuha ka ngayon, age 45, let's say 45 male, for pay up to age 65, 20 years ka magbabayad, 58,310 pesos. So for this, hindi na pwedeng lagyan ng mga ibang rider. So pure life insurance siya, 1 million face amount, 2 million yung life insurance. So tinignan ko, ang total premiums paid, 58,310 times 20 years, 1.1 million, 1,166,200. Tapos at age 65, no, titignan mo yung table at yung age 65, ang guaranteed cash value is 892,260. And then may non-guaranteed dividends na 169,954. So pag in-add mo yon, at age 65, yung total living benefits, should you withdraw both the cash value and the non-guaranteed dividends, 1,062,214. So parang what? 100,000 lang yung naging cost of insurance mo over the past 20 years. Should you decide na, sige, withdrawing ko na lahat yan, hindi na ako insured, halos walang talo. Diba? Technically, hindi talo kasi may cost naman yung company to insure you ng 2 million. during the past 20 years. And again, kung ayaw mong withdrawin ng 65, let's say 75 mo siya withdraw, so 1.190 million 680 yung guaranteed cash value at age 75. And then yung non-guaranteed dividends is 465,284. If you add them, it's 1.6 million, 1,655,964. Ang naging cost lang sa'yo nung 20 years is 1.1 million. So tumubo ka ng 500,000, grabe yun ha. Diba? So, meaning while during your prime years, malakas ka pa, kailangan ka pa ng family mo, kailangan mo ng insurance, then do not withdraw. Right? Just pay. And then, pag feeling mo, hindi na kailangan ng insurance and you wanna enjoy your money, then you can do it. Alright? Pwede rin yung dividends lang yung withdrawin mo. That can be part of your retirement money. Not, hindi yan makakasolve ng lahat ng retirement needs mo, but it can add. You can enjoy your money, travel ka abroad, wherever. Alright? And then, keep the life insurance. Insured ka naman up to age 100. Kasi ganun yung mga whole life plans. Alright? Tingnan naman natin sa isang age 55 female. So, female naman. So, 10 years to pay na lang to, no? So, kasi 10 years to pay lang yung pwede kapag 51 and above. So, let's say at age 55, 10 years to pay. Dito, dahil 10 years to pay, short term lang, pwedeng lagyan pa ng other riders. So, nalagyan natin ng 1 million total and permanent disability, 1 million personal accident, and then 2,000 pesos per night na hospital income benefit. If you add all those benefits, the total premium is 162,611.78. So in 10 years, that's 1.6 million. 1,626,117.80. Alright, kung titignan nyo ngayon yung premiums, so again, at age 65, meron siyang guaranteed cash value na 892,260. And then non-guaranteed dividends na 80,000. If you add them all, 972,000. No, so naging cost sa'yo 1.6 million. Pwede kang mag-withdraw at age 65, no, kung ayaw mo na ng insurance na 972,000. So dito medyo malaki yung disparity, about 600-700,000, but just remember 10 years pa lang yung plan mo. Diba? If pinatagal mo siya ng mga 20 years at age 75, no, medyo substantial na siya. Guaranteed cash value is about 1.1 million. 1,196,80. And then the non-guaranteed dividends, malaki na yung chance na lumaki. No, maging 334,000 siya. So when you add them both, 1.524 na siya. So doon, parang ang difference na lang niya is a little over 100,000. So dito sulit na sulit talaga. So parang ang ganda, no, yung Max Protect, 20 years and above yung horizon, halos bawing-bawi na yung hinulog mo. Alright? Lalo na kung more than that, if you get it a little lower, no, at age 30 or 20, no, 35, 40, the younger the better. But again, I showed you that even at age 55, you can still use this for your retirement money. Additional for your retirement money. Hindi naman ito yung buo na magsosolve na ng buong retirement problem mo. No? I hope you're investing elsewhere. Pero ang maganda rito, habang ini-insure ka, it adds up to your retirement money. No? Saan ka pa maghahanap ng ganong plan? So, if you don't withdraw the cash value, kasi pwedeng yung dividends lang i-withdraw mo. So if you don't withdraw the cash value, your beneficiaries will get the 200% of the face amount in case of death na nung insured. Alright? So pwede rin ganon, yung kukunin mo lang yung dividends lang. Diba? So, minimum face amount is 500,000. Ang mga ginawa kong examples is 1 million. So, kung 500,000 mas mura pa, ibig sabihin ang life insurance na is 1 million pesos. In fact, I made a sample for an age 25 female naman, Max Protect na 10 years, it's only 53,202.87. So, let's say 53,203 times 10 years, ang nilabas mo lang na pera is 532,030. Kung titignan mo yung table, just to show you, guaranteed cash value niya at age 65, you know, 517,630, almost equal na sa naibayad mo. May non-guaranteed dividends pa na 286,000. So, total living benefits at age 65 is about 804,058. Tubong-tubo. Kung bata ka talaga nag-start, sobrang panalo tong plan na to, lalo na at age 65. Panalong-panalo yung retirement fund mo. If you choose to withdraw at age 75, dahil nga may critical illness protection, so gusto mo hanggang age 75, tsaka mo nagalawin yung plan. So, that's ideal. The cash value is 595,340, higher than what you paid for. And then the potential dividends is 527,983. yung bumalik sa'yo is 1.1 million 23. So 1,123,323. Alright? So double of what you saved and what you paid for 10 years. Nabawi mo siya. So again, you became responsible during your working years. Habang maganda yung kita mo, you paid off your insurance. When you retire, you benefit from it. Ikaw yung mag-enjoy. In case you live long. Diba? Yun naman ang hindi natin alam if we will die too soon or we will live too long. So this solves those two problems. Kung namamahalan ka sa 10 years, may pay up to age 65. No? 40 years ka magbabayad from age 25 to age 65. Alam mo, 19,650 lang siya, no? 0.97. So 19,651 for 40 years, it's only 786,040 for a 1 million insurance, no? Tapos may 500,000 total and permanent disability, 500,000 personal accident insurance, 500,000 critical illness protection for 10 major illnesses. Tapos ang nilagay ko na hospital income benefit dito since mura pa yung 3,000 pesos per night of hospitalization. Let's say 5 days sa hospital, that's 15,000. Alright, all in all, including waiver of premium, it's only 19,650.97. Pag tinignan mo yung table, ganun din. Alright, by age 65, the total living benefit, yung cash value plus dividends is 711,000. So almost equal na siya. Siyempre mas mahal ng konti yung pay up to age 65. So mas mura yung 10P, mas mura in total premiums, no? Mas mataas lang yung upfront na babayaran. At age 75, no, 988,000 na yung living benefit. It's higher na than what you paid for, even though ang naging total cost pa niya is 786,000. So, who can be insured? Who can avail? Age 0, you can start with your kids, no, hanggang age 65. Pwede to. Again, life insurance siya. And then, retirement plan din siya for that same person. Sobrang panalo. So, for your quotation request, if you have questions, if you want me to send you quotations, just send me your details. No, I need your full name, your birth date, occupation, your mobile number, and how much face amount yung gusto mo, how much coverage. Alright? Wala tong limit. No? Magkano gusto mong coverage for yourself. Or probably give me your budget and then I can create for you, no, 10 years, pay up to age 65, etc. Where to go? Just go to my Facebook page. Search DJ Di Maliwat or go to facebook.com/DJ Di Maliwat official. Send me a message. I will answer you as soon as I can so that I can assist you in getting this wonderful product called Max Protect na life insurance siya with retirement, no, combined in just one plan. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you again soon. Bye-bye.